Here. Mr. What's your name? Oh, Chai Chizi. I am Immigration Officer, Intelligence Officer for Melody Gonzalez and from the Bureau of Immigration. Okay. A mission order has been issued by the Commissioner of Immigration. Oh, this one is from Immigration Commissioner. For me to inspect, to check your documents here. This one, oh, Hands Slipper Store. Hands Slipper Store, ba ito? Hands Slipper Store, this one. Hands, this one. Okay? And then, I check your passport. Your passport says that you are a tourist. And you have no work visa. No, you don't have. Work visa, not tourist visa. We check our database. Di ba meron siya extension? So, I will arrest you now. Okay? You have the right to remain silent. Pwede ka hindi salita kung ayaw mo salita. You have a right to lawyer. If you cannot afford a lawyer, the government will give you one. You understand? Understand?
Itsura gimana passport mo?